In today's video, I'm gonna show you a few transfers that I print up using the ET8550. If you want to see how they come out, stick around. Your boy will be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, like I said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press up some DTF prints that I made on the 8550. Do I have to read that again? Okay, it's the Epson ET8550. So I print up some transfer about 2 weeks ago. Now, I did not put these underneath the press to dry. What I did, I just let it air dry. So it's been air drying for like 2 weeks. Before I show you what they look like, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification button or bell. Share this video, drop your boy a comment. And after the video, smash the like button for me. You I'm talking to. You with the hoodie, tank top, have the cat on your lap. Smash the like button for me. You could do it right now. You don't have to wait till the video is over. Forget that. Smash it right now. Now, this is one that I print up. I print this up using the Epson 8550. Yeah, yellow green. It's very nice. I'm gonna take my chance and I'm gonna print this one on a shirt. Look at it. I did this one too. I did this transfer. Now the color on this is not a vibrant as I like it to be, but I'm still gonna press it up. Now I did press up another transfer on a shirt, and I didn't realize that it was on the back of the shirt, and I was washing the shirt like for the last 2 weeks. I was washing the shirt, didn't remember that it was on there until the last time I washed it. I'm like, wow, the transfer hold on, let me, I'm not gonna show you guys that shirt, because when I press the shirt up, I'm actually gonna show you guys. I'm gonna take it to the washer and show you guys that it will stay on it, hopefully. So anyway, let's get printed. Before we go, I have to tell you something. You know how they said it should be like a little orangey? Yeah, you might see a little orangey. It depends on the light and blah blah blah, but you do see it does look a little bit like crystallized. That's when you know it's dry, when it look like crystal, like little small crystal. And this been drying for 2 weeks. It's been drying for 2 weeks, so you do see the little crystal on it. You guys won't see it, but you could see it on it. So let's get into pressing. Okay, so I end up only do 2 of the transfer. I did this one. Yes, I know I could have put it on a black, but I wanted to see what it looks like on this. This is a gray hoodie, right? And I did the back. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. There was no complication. I know this could have been like on a black shirt too, right? Because of the gray, purple, yellow. It's not bad. The machine did a good job printing it out. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take it to the wash and we're gonna wash it, we're gonna dry it, and we're gonna see how well it will hold up. Okay, so the next time you see me, I'll be at the laundromat. But wait, before we go, I did it for 320, 15 seconds, maybe it should have been 20 seconds, I don't know. I did it for 320, 15 seconds. I hit it once, right, for 15 seconds, peel it, let it like cool a little. Next to warm, it peels much better than when it's hot. It will leave it, you know, because I tried it before peeling it hot, right, and it started peeling up. So I let it cool a little, warm, and then I peel it, and then I hit it again for 15 seconds, because that's what you're supposed to do, right? So I hit it again the second time for 15 seconds, and this is it, man. You know. Oh, I didn't do the stretch test. Stretch test, stretch. Okay, so, well, no cracking in it going on in it. It's not cracking. No cracking. So I guess it's not Cocoa Pop. Yeah. So we're gonna take it to the wash. So the next time you see your boy, I'll be at the laundromat. So I'm at the laundromat. Here is it. Here's the shirt that I did using DTF. That was the front. Here's the back. Boom. Oh, looking nice, right? So I'm here at the laundromat and I'm gonna wash it. See, I got other dirty laundry. Look at that, I got a beautiful dirty socks in there. So I'm gonna put it in there. All right. I want you guys to see everything. Look, I'm gonna put it on hot. It's on normal and hot and heavy. Heavy, hot, normal. Okay? Alright, let's 34 minutes of washing on hot and heavy. Let's get it out. Where is it? This is what it looks like after. So this is like 34 minutes hot water. I don't see any cracks. Still look amazing. No cracking. Back, same thing, no cracking. Looking beautiful. Nothing. Now let's go dry it and see what happened. Alright, so let's put it in the drying. See? It's in the dryer right now. And we're gonna put it on hot. Right. So we're gonna have it on, whoops, that's no heat. We want it on high. Right? I'm gonna put it on high. So expensive, 59 cents for 8 minutes. Let's press it. So you guys saw high. Let's give it 6. Add another 8 minutes to it. So it's 23 minutes plus whatever time it was. All right? Still in there. Okay, so we have 10 minutes left. And it's still going. Can you guys see me? Can you see me? Still going. There it is, right there. 10 minutes. Hot. 10 minutes to go. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute. Still on high. Okay, so it was on high for like 20 something minutes. Look at that. No crack, no peeling, colors still the same. This is the back, still the same. The front. Still the same. No crack, no peel. I wash it on hot water. Put it on high dry for 24, 5 minutes, whatever it was. And look, it's still no crack. No crack. No peel. Still the same great shape. All right, so I'm back from the laundromat. So you guys saw what I did. I put it on high. I did like 20 something minutes and I let it rip and I wash it on hot water on heavy. All right, you guys know how I do it, you know what I'm saying? But it came out beautiful. No crack, no peel. Not cracking and it's not peeling. And I just did this one. I didn't wash it yet, but I just right now did it. So I said let me throw it on and show you guys. Yes. Ooh, it came off nice. Yeah. I'm telling you. And look at that. It's a beautiful job. Ooh, it came up beautiful. So this is DTF and I'm using the Epson ET8550. That's what your boy convert over. So came out nice. I mean, of course you're gonna feel something on top, but yeah, I know it would have looked better. It would have looked better probably on black, but I wanted it on this hoodie. That's all I got for you, and I'm gonna be making more videos on this. So thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and as always, you know your boy love you. Don't forget, check out all my link down below. Support your boy, and I'll catch you on my next video. This is your boy Flex, and I'm out.